Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically buy more poses in Dress to Impress. So, as you can see in the poses tab to the right, there is going to be a lot of options. Well, it's going to look like this at first. And there are some options, but there's not a lot of options. So I'm just going to go up here, and as you can see, I have like more options. My brother's being annoying right now. Like this one, like the glamorous one, and people use this a lot. It's like the funniest thing, which is the death drop. And there's like this one which looks like you're fighting someone. And then to buy it, you do have to buy it, but you can buy it using these tickets or whatever. So make sure you collect it. Okay. Go to settings. Oh, no. Go to poses. Then go up here. I actually did not know you can press it. So select it. And here's where you can buy more poses. These are more pose packs. So I don't have the summer pose pack, the mermaid one, the K-pop one, the gala pose one, and this one, the sci-fi one. I think I have 5 left to purchase, so I need to play this game a lot more. But that's pretty much how you can get pose packs on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.